Your Google Chrome browser is changing today, and here's the biggest changes. Google Chrome fans are getting a major update today with the launch of Chrome 66. Here's all the new features and how to make sure your Chrome browser is fully up to date. Google is refreshing its Chrome browser with a major update that's been released today. Chrome 66 is available to all users right now and brings a number of upgrades and security fixes to this popular browser. One of the biggest new features is the ability to stop automatically playing videos with sound. As announced earlier, autoplay is now allowed only when either the media won't play sound, after the user clicks or taps on the site, or, on desktop, if the user has previously shown an interest in media on the site, the update states. This will reduce unexpected video playbacks with sound when first opening a web page. Speaking about the update, Monir Lamurai, a software engineer at Google, said, "Users watch and listen to a lot of media, and autoplay can make it faster and easier to consume on the web. However, one of the most frequent user concerns is unexpected media playback, which can use data, consume power, and make unwanted noise while browsing. To address this, Chrome will be making autoplay more consistent with user expectations and will give users more control over audio. Autoplay will be allowed when either the media won't play sound, or the user has indicated an interest in the media. This will allow autoplay to occur when users want media to play, and respect users' wishes when they don't. These changes will also unify desktop and mobile web behavior, making web media development more predictable across platforms and browsers. Along with the autoplay update, there are a number of behind-the-scenes upgrades aimed at developers, plus there's some big security updates to help keep users safer online. It's worth noting that Google tends to releases a new version of its browser every 6 weeks, so expect Chrome 67 to arrive later next month. To update your browser, simply go to Chrome in the menu and bar and select About Chrome. The browser will then show you which version you are running and how to upgrade to the latest software. The news of this latest Chrome update comes as Google looks set to release an upgrade to its Gmail service. The update looks likely to bring a cleaner and less cluttered look for Gmail on the web, along with the arrival of things such as Smart Reply, which instantly allows users to select from 3 automatic responses based on what's in the original message. In a statement to The Verge, Google revealed, "We're working on some major updates to Gmail, they're still in draft phase. We need a bit more time to compose ourselves, so can't share anything yet. Archive this for now, and we'll let you know when it's time to hit send."